In this video, we will show you how to add different terms and conditions for your various programs. On the My Company page, click on the Enroll Form Settings. Click on Terms and Conditions. Select the plus button to create a new Terms and Conditions. Add the internal name of the terms and conditions. Here is where you can further customize your terms by adding copy, links, and images. Click Add to save the new terms. Go to the Programs page to add your new terms and conditions to one or more programs. Select the pencil icon beside the program. Click on the Enroll Form Settings. Click on Terms and Conditions. Select the terms and conditions by checking the box. Click the box beside the terms and conditions you want to add to the program. Click Save to save the changes.